I have a question. How hard it is to describe a world which these two words do not interact, music and fashion. In the chaotic 1970s, amid social unrest and cultural upheaval, one band emerged to challenge musical and fashion traditions. The Sex Pistols revolutionized punk rock and left an indelible mark on the world of high fashion. Punk fashion emerged as a direct response to the mainstream, characterized by its DIY ethos and anti-establishment attitudes. The Sex Pistols embodied this spirit with their ripped clothes, safety pins, and confrontational styles. As mainstream disco and rock and roll music thrived in the 1970s, the underground punk subgenre grew in popularity. The youth counterculture in the United Kingdom sought to disrupt the peace of English society by performing loud music, wearing what was then considered shocking clothing and makeup, and expressing revolutionary sentiments through selfhood wherever possible. If anyone best represented 1970s punk, it was the English band the Sex Pistols, led by Johnny Rotten and Sid Vicious. The Sex Pistols are very, very important because they strip things down, someone might say. The controversial British punk band changed music and fashion forever during its short but illustrious career. Vivienne Westwood and Malcolm McLaren's partnership began in the early 1970s, rooted in their shared passion for challenging conventional norms. Their mutual interest in the avant-garde and subversive culture quickly bonded them, leading them to open a series of boutiques on London's King's Road. Their most famous shop, Sex, became the epicenter of the punk movement, offering bold, provocative designs that captured the rebellious spirit of the era. This creative and romantic partnership not only defined their careers, but also played a pivotal role in the birth and evolution of punk fashion. Today, the spirit of punk lies on in streetwear and haute couture alike. Its DIY aesthetic and fearless attitude continue to inspire designers and resonate with a new generation of fashion enthusiasts. Beyond their music and fashion, the Sex Pistols left a lasting cultural legacy. They challenged the status quo, sparked debate, and paved the way for future movements in music, fashion, and beyond. As we reflect on their impact, it's clear that the Sex Pistols were more than just a band. They were pioneers who reshaped music and fashion, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to influence artists and designers worldwide. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Craze Coutume for more exciting content on fashion's most influential movements. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which fashion area you'd like us to explore next. Stay stylish and rebellious.